morning, America. Blizzard emergency.
America's East Coast gripped by a huge snowstorm expected to bring unprecedented disruption.
Thousands of flights canceled, the nation's capital shutting down.
Across a vast area, a state of emergency has been declared. Schools closed, flights cancelled, rail lines shut down, and people told to stay at home.
1977 Winnebago, the buggy that's going to take us on our magical mystery tour for The Walking Dead, and it's still got legs under it. It's a little slow on the hills. It's got good brakes, but you don't really need them that much. It doesn't get going very fast.
Hey guys, welcome back to our Blizzard special. Yeah, it's been snowing like crazy outside. We've been hit with probably over 2 feet of snow outside. I myself have been out there about 3 or 4 times shoveling to try to keep up. Just got in, kind of relaxing a little bit, and decided time to get motivated. Otherwise I'm going to fall asleep on the couch. And what we're going to build tonight is this. Yep, Dale's RV from the hit TV show. No, not the hit TV show. From the smash TV show, The Walking Dead. Yes, sirree. I'm not really going to get into a big review on this. We're just going to get right into the build. I mean, there's lots of people that have been reviewing this, so they do a better job than me. But Dale's RV. It was the cornerstone of the show for the first 2 seasons. I mean, it was great. So, what we got, big kit, Walking Dead. You got Dale, the RV. You've got 2 walkers on it. 468 pieces. That's a biggin kit. So we're gonna crack this open and get going. All right, hang on. Okay, so real quick, we're open a box. Inside, we got bags and bags of parts, and we got our manual. Manual on this one, pretty big. Matter of fact, we've got 2. Well, that's it, guys. The Blizzard of 2016 build is completed. We've got the Dale's RV here, all done. We've got a lounge chair here. We got one up here with an umbrella with Dale. And then we got some walkers down here. Yeah, it's looking pretty cool. This kit is really, really neat. It's one of the more expensive kits, but there's a lot of pieces, as you know, we talked about with it a little while ago. 468 pieces. And the detail is just incredible. Here, let me go on wibbly wobbly camera mode and I'll give you a tour around it. Hang on. Okay, so here we are starting at the back. You know, Chieftain is written in there. You've got your vents, you've got your extra plugs. If you'll notice, you've got the panels are all worn and weathered. You know, they're not just some uniform patterns. This awning comes down if you want to, and you can just put the closed awning up. Okay, close look at your zombies. or excuse me, walkers. They don't call them zombies in the show, but pretty well done. This is a zombie chick, and this is her man guy friend. Okay, again, very well detailed, weathered. They look pretty good. Alright. Up on top, we got Dale in this classic pose of his, being the lookout, usually found on top of the camper, looking out for walkers. Okay, and on his back, he's got his rifle. And then there's his chair there. Look at the detail and the weathering in his chair. It's pretty damn cool. Same with the umbrella. But the detail on the roof, the air conditioning units, the vents, the TV antenna all worn out. It's pretty cool. I'm going to move these out of the way here for a second. Okay, even down to the wheels. The wheels are all weathered. Okay. The door, check this out. The door opens with a screen. Oh, boo. But it's got a screen door. And inside there, 2 chairs. Okay. You've got Dale's name and his wife's name inscribed on the side. Okay. I'll fix that door in a minute. Give it a ride around. It's too big for my carousel, so. Alright, the front, the bumper, the grill work, all weather. It looks really cool. Okay. All the detail on the number of the truck and everything. Okay, coming down this side. Okay, the classic W Winnebago. Very, very cool. And again, this does not look like a Lego or Mego thing. I mean, if you look closely, of course, you can see the individual bricks, but overall, you don't see the Lego Mego posts or anything like that, so it's very well done. The detail on the wheels is pretty cool. Yeah, Chieftain. The back. What I should have done is put the American flag in the back window there. I'm not sure. That glass is frosted, so I'm not sure if you'd see it or not, but it's pretty cool. But that's it. It was a couple hours. Not very difficult. My fingers are hurting me right now, but that's because of the figures. Figures are very tight to put together, and I don't mean that in a bad way. It's good because that means they're not going to come back apart. So that's kind of neat. But yeah, fingers hurt from that. No glue necessary in this kit except for a couple little pieces I did glue just for safety reasons, or security really. I didn't want to lose it. And that is the mirror on that side there. I did glue that in because it didn't want to sit right. TV antenna got glued in because it kept falling off. The gun on Dale's back got glued in because I didn't want that to get lost. Otherwise, there was no glue whatsoever in the kit. It's pretty solid and it rolls. Go for a ride. So that's it for now, guys. If you haven't checked out the show, which I'm surprised there's actually quite a few people that responded to my other video for the governor's man cave there, and a lot of people that saw it didn't watch the show. So man, if you haven't, I recommend you go out and get it, watch it. It's very, very cool. So till next time, guys, be safe out there shoveling, don't hurt yourselves, stay warm, and be strong.